iroroshye cyane. When you look back, you urebye inyuma ahantu turuka, ukareba ahantu uhagaze imbere y'abanyabwenge bangana namwe, abantu bakomeye batandukanye. I don't deserve to be here. I don't deserve to be standing in front of you, to be honest with you. Ariko, ndi hano. So, may God bless you. Imana ibaha umugisha. Uyu mwaka wa 2025 uzababera umwaka w'umugisha udasanzwe. Uzababera umwaka udasanzwe in the name of Jesus. 2025 uzababera umwaka udasanzwe. Kuko nimwe mwatugize abo turi bonona. Ngende umwana wavukiye Kampala, Uganda, ahantu yitwa Kizubuna Mwongo. Tuba mu nzu y'icyumba kimwe na saro. Turi abana batandatu. My mother fought so much for us. Mama hari agaratangira kuza mu bitaramo byanjye kubera impamvu zitandukanye. Ariko she's proud of me. She loves what I do. Kandi abasengera mwese. Umukozi w'Imana. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I don't deserve to be here, man. Muradufata mukatugira abantu. Ntago twari tuteza. Thank you so much. Hanyuma let's act like it didn't happen. Acting how it is, please. Ariko, 2025 is going to be an amazing year for all of you here. Shooting and shooting.
Shooting and shooting, shooting and shooting, shooting and shooting.